A batch of MPs escaped being sent to the High Court on Wednesday thanks to a stalemate between the government and the opposition over who should be referred. But the eligibility of 2 Labor MPs will be considered by the court, Victorian David Feeney and Acts Senator Katie Gallagher. The opposition failed in an attempt to get a job lot of MPs referred that included 4 Liberals, 4 from the ALP, and the Nick Xenophon team's Rebecca Harshaket. The ALP motion was supported by all 5 crossbenchers, resulting in a tied vote of 73-73. The Speaker, Tony Smith, acting in line with parliamentary convention, used his casting vote to defeat the motion. The government, insisting that none of its MPs should be referred, wanted the members considered individually. But crossbenchers rejected that argument, seeing it as the government being partisan. The government said it would continue to talk to the crossbenchers overnight, but they are not likely to be swayed before Parliament rises this week for the summer recess. The Labor MPs in the opposition motion were Justine Key, Josh Wilson, Susan Lamb and Feeney. The case of Gallagher, who took action to renounce her British citizenship but did not get registration of her renunciation before she nominated for the 2016 election, should provide guidance in relation to the 3 other Labor MPs and Sharkett, who have similar circumstances. Labor argues that those who had taken reasonable steps to renounce but did not receive their confirmations in time, or, in Lamb's case, at all, are eligible. Feeney is in a different category from the other Labor MPs. He has not been able to provide evidence that he renounced his British citizenship in 2007, as he says he did. He was referred after the job lot motion's defeat. Both Gallagher and Feeney accepted they should be referred. Gallagher, while maintaining her eligibility, told the Senate she was standing aside from her front-back positions and had asked to be referred to the court, saying her opponents would continue to use the issue. Labor said the 4 Liberals, Jason Filiski, Julia Banks, Nola Marino and Alex Hawke, had not provided adequate documentation of their eligibility. In the run-up to the vote, Marino released advice from the Italian consulate saying she was not an Italian citizen. Filiski produced advice saying that he was not a citizen of the UK, Poland, Russia or Kyrgyzstan. But the letter to Filiski was dated Wednesday and the law firm, Arnold Bloch Leibler, said that as previously discussed, we cannot conclusively advise on foreign law and recommend that you seek independent advice from foreign law experts. The crossbenchers were lobbied hard over the motion, including on the floor of the chamber, by both the opposition and the government. Labor made an unsuccessful attempt to get its motion dealt with before Barnaby Joyce, who has just faced a by-election after the High Court declared him ineligible to sit, returned to the lower house. Labor had a temporary majority but did not have enough time. Joyce was sworn in at 1:15 p.m. and his presence in the subsequent debate meant the numbers were tied.